Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best Piston stationary air compressors. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Stark 5 to 5.5 HP Dual Piston V-Style Twin-Cylinder Air Compressor Pump. The Stark 5 to 5.5 HP Dual Piston V-Style Twin-Cylinder Air Compressor Head Pump Replacement Air Compressor Pump 145 PSI is a top-notch product from the company of Stark. The air compressor is made to be very durable because of the use of aluminum throughout its construction. The system's ability to deal with high and low pressures makes it ideal for your needs. The air compressor also has a sturdy baseplate which keeps it from tipping over even when you put a lot of pressure on it. It is also equipped with a sturdy aluminum hose, making it lightweight and very easy to handle. This product also includes various adapters that are capable of connecting almost any hose to the unit. When you purchase this product, you can be sure that it is a quality product that will help you get the job done right. The Stark 5 to 5.5 HP Dual Piston V-Style Twin-Cylinder Air Compressor Head Pump Replacement Air Compressor Pump 145 PSI is a top-quality product made to perform at the highest level possible. With this product, you are able to receive reliable performance every time. It has a durable aluminum baseplate which will help it to stay stable even when used under high pressure from a single gas line. This ensures that you do not have to worry about overfilling your tank or accidentally causing any damage to the unit's parts. Number 2. HPDAV Gas-Driven Piston Air Compressor. The HPDAVV Gas-Driven Piston Air Compressor 13 HP, 1-stage 30 gal tank 43.5 CFM at max 125 psi 420 cc engine is the perfect companion for any service truck, making it the perfect air compressor for servicing Ford F-150 trucks. It is a high-quality equipment that delivers 3x more output than other comparable models, thanks to its unique 420 cc engine. This machine is built tough to withstand all of your toughest service jobs while still providing you with the most cost-effective way to power your truck or equipment. It has a 2-stage design that allows you to run the machine at up to 125 psi. This means that it can manage truck service projects such as air conditioning, heating, tires and more. Its piston pump provides the highest level of durability for years of service with less maintenance required than other models that use a single-stage design. Its high-quality, aluminum block 420 cc engine delivers plenty of power to get the work done. It is designed for a longer lifespan than other engines, even with frequent use and regular maintenance. The aluminum material does not corrode over time like other typical materials such as steel and can be used for more demanding applications. It features an easy-access air filter and has a manual drain valve to help you with routine maintenance chores. Number 3. Makita 2.5 HP Air Compressor. The Makita MAC 2400 2.5 HP * Big Bore Air Compressor features our exclusive digital circuit technology, DCT, to deliver superior durability and innovative cooling efficiency. This, coupled with a rugged design and all-around ergonomics, makes it the ideal compressor for heavy-duty jobsite use. It's tough to have this type of equipment break down on you in the middle of an important job where time is of the essence. The MAC 2400 is designed to reduce breakdowns by utilizing a sophisticated DC motor that runs cooler and longer than conventional motors, keeping it running in your bid for power through superior reliability. The MAC 2400 2.5 HP * Big Bore Air Compressor has a powerful motor that operates at 1,450 RPM to provide an impressive 4.2 CFM max and maximum pressure of 120 psi air outlet at 90 psi inlet. To see performance specifications for all of our air compressors, visit our performance data page. If the air compressor is operated for longer than 15 minutes, it will shut off automatically to protect the motor from overheating. This is a great feature for those times when you forget to turn the machine off or you run out of things to complete with your project. Number 4. HPDMC 6.5 HP Protable Heavy Duty Portable Piston Air Pump. The HPDMC heavy-duty compressor from Kohler Engine is a portable, heavy-duty compressor designed for many industrial applications in the event of power outages and job site needs. The HPDMC air compressor comes with a 17 CFM at 125 psi, 1.8 horsepower engine and 20-gallon tank, and can be driven on its 2 built-in tires or an optional wheel kit. The main features of the Kohler Engine industrial air compressor include an easy-to-read gauge, a drain valve, heavy-duty cylinder, durable construction, large battery spark plug start, inertia recoil starter motor and cooling system oil lubrication service kit. The cylinder is located at the top of the air compressor. The cylinder has an aluminum piston head attached to it which provides increased durability. The cylinder also helps to decrease sound as it runs more quietly than similar models in its category. The HPDMC air compressor has a large front-mounted tank which provides a larger capacity than similar models on the market. The tank allows for longer run times and more usage during a power outage or job site. This is especially true for commercial applications. The air compressor utilizes two 6V rechargeable batteries for its power source, so it can be left plugged in to be used when the power goes out. The Kohler Engine industrial air compressor is designed to be very durable, so it can withstand frequent use at industrial sites and job site locations where it is needed most. There are 4 large wheels which allow users to move this air compressor around with ease. The HPDMC 6.5 HP portable heavy-duty compressor is an industrial-grade 120-volt compressor that utilizes a 17 CFM at 125 psi single-stage stationary piston compressor producing 1.8 horsepower with a 20-gallon tank and output pressure of 150 psi. The air compressor uses two 6V rechargeable batteries and can be refilled at any Kohler dealer. The air compressor has an easy-to-read gauge and a drain valve, as well as being heavy-duty with a durable construction. The Kohler Engine industrial air compressor also has an easy start inertia recoil starter motor and cooling system oil lubrication service kit on the unit. Number 5. Craftsman air compressor. This Craftsman air compressor provides a quick and easy way to inflate your items. The Pancake 6-gallon tank features an automatic start-stop system and an oil-free pump for increased convenience. The unit also comes with a 13-piece accessory kit that includes everything you need for installation, including an air hose, air chuck, 3 nozzle adapters, 2 inflation nozzles and more. The air compressor has a maximum pressure of 150 psi and a maximum tank pressure of 115 psi. The unit measures 8.4 by 18.5 by 19.8 inches and weighs 24 pounds, making it easy to store when not in use. Use the Craftsman 6-gallon Pancake air compressor to inflate your items with ease. The Craftsman portable air compressor comes with a 13-piece accessory kit that includes everything you need for installation, including an air hose, air chuck, 3 nozzles adapters, 2 inflation nozzles and more. The air compressor is perfect for inflating toys, balls, balloons, sleeping bags, air mattress and more. The air compressor will save you money on retail prices of gas and oil. You don't only use it to inflate the beach mat, but also it is good to use in a garage or basement. Not only that, but you also use it on your pool or spa now as well, because we all know how nice it feels when you get that wonderful feeling of water splashing against your face by a blowout pump, even if there are pool chemicals. Thanks for watching the video.